Could you read out the list of the previous question that I have sent to you? Could you read that out loud?
Of course. Here's the list of movement disorders that are one, muscular dystrophy, MD, zero, palsy, CP, three, multiple sclerosis, MS, four, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, five, spinal muscular atrophy, SMA, six, myasthenia gravis, seven, polymyositis myositis, eight, peripheral neuropathy, nine, osteoporosis syndrome, 10, post polio syndrome, 11, fibromyalgia in some cases, 12, congenital renal. Let me know if you need more details on any of these.
Which is the one that is worse than the other?
Baka naman alam na ibang mga followers natin tsaka followers.
Because each condition affects individuals differently, the severity can vary widely. For example, ALS is known to be particularly aggressive, and progressive often leading to severe stroke and a
So
relatively
doon sa
short period
ginawa,
of
I
time.
was the UV
Muscular dystrophies, on the other hand,
And yes,
can
it
also
was
be severe
actually
but
more
progress at different rates depending on the type.
mara-mara.
Ultimately, the
Kasama
impact
siya sa
really
state. Siya
depends
ang
on the individual
director
case.
nun.
If you have a
So,
specific
nakakatuwa,
condition in mind,
diba?
I can definitely
Naabutan ko
Si
provide
talaga.
Dr. Messi.
Correct. So, nung panahon ko, alam namin na nag-improve yung split. Tapos, samahan lang naman ang nagkakiyatro. Kasi split, ang improve kasi mas nag-ano yan eh, papunta yan sa comedy talaga eh.
Oo.
Mas talagang papunta siya sa comedy.
And it's actually improv, or actually, until now, it's actually part of the workshop din ng mga testings. Diba? It's a way for us na, alam mo yun, mas gumana ang ating utak. Especially kasi live performance yung ginagawa namin ng mga teatro, on stage, kailangan mabilis ka. So like, kunwari may mahulog something dyan, or may
You're very welcome.
tapon. Pero let's just say, like, kunwari, ang set
If you
na
need
sa
anything
stage
else,
ay
just let me
mga
know. I'm
puno-puno,
here to
tapos
help.
biglang may nahulog lahat ng leaves. Eh, live yung show. So, kailangan mo maisip, bakit nahulog yung mga leaves? So, yun ang dahilan kung bakit kami nag-improv. It's actually, tawag dito,
It's an exercise.
there you go. It's an exercise of theater actors bago kami sumana. So, nakakatuwa na marami nang nakakaalam nun at nakakatuwa din na nag-trending yung ikaw. Kaya ako sinasabi ko
You're
sa
welcome. Feel free to reach out anytime you need assistance.
nagka-trending ngayon yung ikaw. At maliban doon sa ikaw, marami na rin mga comedy groups ang gumagawa ng ikaw at iba't ibang klaseng mga exercises nila. Hence, doon tayo pupunta. Kasi tuwang-tuwa ako doon sa isang exercise. What you say